A while back, Tammy from Gardening Australia was learning about how to propagate Sturt Desert Peas. I happen to have a packet of those seeds. I thought I'd try her method to see whether this works to germinate these seeds. We've germinated Sturt Desert Peas before, but just in the normal fashion. So we're following the recipe which was given to her by the producer she spoke to. So that was 30 mils of hydrogen peroxide to 160 mils of water plus a few drops of detergent just to help it all wet through. So I've got my jar, I've got my water already measured out, and I'm just going to grab my hydrogen peroxide. That's 30 mils of hydrogen peroxide. I'm just going to add that to the water and get my seeds ready to go in. Now, according to the seed packet, all zones across Australia can germinate these seeds anytime from spring through summer into autumn, but not in winter. And according to the packet, it should take 7 to 14 days to germinate. The detergent bottle leaked onto the lid, so I'm just going to turn this upside down and shake them once I get all the seeds in there. Not big, they look a bit like tomato seeds, but anyway, in they go. Oops. The advice was that some will float and some will sink. Shake them up in the bottle and just let them sit for 30 minutes. So away we go. I'll be back in 30 minutes to see what is sinking and what is floating. I think, looking at it, I only have like 1 or 2 seeds which aren't sinking to the bottom, which is a really good sign. I'm just going to pop over and drain them out and see where we're up to. Right, so they're the ones that were floating. Again, they're meant to be perfectly viable seeds, just that they might take longer to germinate. And here are the others. Just tip them out into the strainer. And they're the ones I've got left. The next thing is to get these out and planted into the seed pots. Well, according to my count, I've got 19 seeds. I'm not convinced about all of them. Several, these really pale yellow ones, I think are actually seeds that have come out of their seed coat. I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing. So I'm going to plant, I've got 8 pots here, and I'm going to plant several in each pot, and I'm going to try and keep the ones that floated, so the ones that weren't as prepared, I'm going to keep those separate. We'll wait and see. I'll be just intrigued to see how many of these actually germinate. Well, will you look at this? I just stopped by to see if any of our Sturt Desert Pea seedlings needed some water on this super hot day. And look what's happening. I've got germination in 5 of the cells. These ones at the end here were the ones that were likely to germinate slower. And these ones, wow, it's already happening. How exciting is that?